Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best gutter cleaning tools that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Worx Universal Gutter Pro 11-inch Washington 4094 Cleaning Kit. The Worx GUTTERPRO Universal Gutter Cleaning Kit is the easier, cost-effective, much safer way to clean your gutters. And since it's so easy to use, you'll do it more frequently, decreasing maintenance costs on your home. Or, you could always pay a professional landscaping service to do this chore for you, but that's expensive, probably $100 at least. But when you get a GUTTERPRO, you can quickly blow out your gutters for free anytime you want to. Keeping both feet safely on the ground is so important that we didn't want to limit it just to Worx blower, vacs. The universal adapter accepts all leaf blowers on the market with up to a 5 inches diameter of the mouth of the nozzle. And there are new adapters for the Worx TriVac 3-in-1 blower, vacuum, mulcher, and the Worx Turbine Fusion included in this kit. The hooked nozzle reaches up over the top and blows directly into the gutter with a forceful, directed stream of air. We advise that you let leaves and debris dry before clearing them out, though, as wet leaves are heavier. 8 feet of tubing in 4 separate 2-foot sections gives you up to 11 feet of reach, depending on the angle you take to your gutters, how long your leaf blower is, and how long your arms are. Just screw them together in 4 separate pieces, or you can leave a section out if you don't need quite that much reach. Moving on at number 4, we have the ShopVac 2.5-inch Cleaning Gutter Toolkit 9,197,000. Have a ShopVac, but no large capacity pickup nozzle for it? Do you struggle with your ShopVac to pick up bulky debris? Don't risk jamming up the house vacuum. Get this 8-inch wide utility nozzle and hook it up to the 2-1/2-inch diameter hose on your ShopVac. Then watch how easy cleanup can be. Though large enough to inconspicuously dispose of some of the kids' small snap-together plastic toys, these ShopVac utility nozzles work best for cleaning up dry, bulk debris and waste. Order this ShopVac utility nozzle for 2-1/2-inch diameter fittings and make your cleanup projects a little easier. These wet vac nozzles are constructed of tough, durable plastic and polypropylene materials, and they offer great suction and grabbing power. Add this nozzle to your collection of ShopVac accessories to maximize the versatility and effectiveness of your wet vac vacuum. This ShopVac nozzle is ideal for use with a variety of both wet and dry cleanup tasks, durable enough for either residential or commercial applications. At number 3, we have the Toro Gutter 51667 Complete Cleaning Toolkit. If you hate standing on the ladder and cleaning the gutter, then you should invest in the cleaning kit. To get a wonderful experience in your gutter cleaning without any effort, go for this economical product. The best part about this device is you will not need any ladder to reach the hard gutter areas. For any user, operating this tool is easy and straightforward. Again, the durable design makes it unique and non-breakable. There are 5 tubes installed in this kit. You can connect them with any vacs or blower of your choice and start the cleaning activity. It is adjustable as well. At number 2, we have the CRAFTSMAN 4-piece CMX ZVBE 38640 Vacuum Dry and Wet Cleaning Gutter Kit. The manufacturers have designed it with high-quality materials. It is a super powerful gutter cleaning machine considered in the market because of its operating abilities. The perfect nozzle size allows you to clean different areas of the gutter nicely. Hence, you will not have to bend and cause any pain to yourself during gutter cleaning. The CRAFTSMAN 4-piece 2-1/2-in gutter kit is great for tackling hard-to-reach gutters and other yard cleanup. The gutter nozzle is angled to fit into gutters to vacuum or blow out debris. The tapered blower nozzle makes blowing debris quick and easy, and the wands extend the length of your reach. Attachment kit fits CRAFTSMAN and most other shop vacuums with a 2-1/2-in diameter hose. And finally at number 1, we have the AggiMan Clean Nozzle 5 Wash Pressure Gutter Cleaning Tool. It is one of the veterans and reliable cleaning tools, which you will get in the market. The unique features present in the toolkit do the gutter cleaning super fast. Stainless steel is used in the making of this device. You can expect the work pressure at a temperature of around 140 to 142 F from this tool up to 4000 psi load. It comes with 6 exclusive rods, all straight, designed to help the cleaning easier. To make the cleaning operation successful, the manufacturers have installed 5 premium quality nozzles in it. Even different sizes are available for every gutter cleaning technique or area. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.